Hi everyone, I apologize I did not get a chance to film the intro, so I'm just gonna get right into the tutorial. So here I am taking the Foccular Burning Palette, and I will be picking up the yellow eyeshadow shade for some definition in the crease, and I will continue to build this color up for more pigmentation. I will be going back into the same palette and picking up the red shade and putting it through my crease just a little bit lower than the yellow color. Once again, I'm going to be just packing on more and more color for extra pigmentation, as well as flipping over my brush to a fluffy brush and blending the two colors so everything is seamless. Next, I'm just taking some of my favorite concealer. This is by Bobbi Brown, and I will be using this to cut out my crease. Next, I'm picking up the Foccular Beauty Ever Changing palette and taking this blue shade, and I will be packing this all onto the middle of my lid. Next, I will be taking the Jaclyn Hill and Becca collaboration eyeshadow palette and using the shimmery color to pack into my inner corner. Next, I'm just taking the black eyeshadow from this MAC eyeshadow quad, and I am using this on the outer corner of the eye just to deepen and make everything smoky. You can pretty much take any black eyeshadow you want for this look. Next, I'm just taking that same Bobbi Brown concealer that I used to cut the crease, and I'm using this to clean up the outer corners of the eye look. Next, I'm just moving on to highlighting, and I will be using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 5, going under the eyes, between the eyebrows, down the bridge of the nose, and on the chin, and blending it out with a damp beauty sponge. Next, I'm just taking this Note blush. I believe this is from BoxyCharm, and I'm just applying it to the apples of the cheeks and blending it back to where our contour is going to be placed. So next, I'm going into this Tarte Contour and Highlight palette, and I'm just taking the contour shade and using this to hollow out my cheeks, my forehead, as well as my jawline, and making sure to blend down the neck. Next, I'm taking my trusty Smashbox contour kit and taking the lightest highlighter shade just to set my under eyes. I'm going back in with that same Tarte palette and picking up the gold highlighter shade and just applying this to my cheekbones. Going back to the Burning palette, I'm just picking up the yellow shade and placing this under my eye, as well as going back in and taking the orange shade and layering that on top of the yellow. Moving on to setting my makeup with my setting spray. Lastly, I'm just taking NYX's Tea and Cookies liquid lipstick shade and applying this to my lips. I think this color is so beautiful and a perfect pink. Summer vibes, end of summer vibes, even though officially fall was what, yesterday, 2 days ago? I'm still in summer mode. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. Oh my god. You guys, if you made it this far into the video, then we are ready to talk about the giveaway. I will be giving away 2 palettes from Foccular Beauty. I will also link their Instagram below so you guys can go check them out. I will be giving away these 2 palettes. This is the Foccular Matte and Electric Pro eyeshadow palette, and then this is their Tropical Vacation palette. I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek of what they look like. I'm not gonna swatch them because I will be giving these away and I don't want my fingers in a prize. So This is the Tropical Vacation palette. Beautiful packaging. And these are the colors. So one lucky winner will be winning this palette, and one other lucky winner will be winning this palette. So this is their Pro. It's right here. It kind of reminds me of Modern Renaissance a little bit. Very beautiful. For the giveaway, one Canadian winner is going to be picked and one American. Unfortunately, I can't do international giveaways right now because shipping is very expensive from Canada. The rules are you must follow my Instagram, you must be subscribed to me on YouTube, and you must like my Facebook business page. And after you have done all those things, come back to this video and comment done. I will be checking. So if you guys miss one of the steps, you will not be entered into the giveaway. Winner will be announced over the next couple days. I just want to, I guess, give everyone a fair chance as well as enough time to enter the contest. So without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. I look forward to making another one for you, and I'm gonna link below my social medias if you guys want to connect with me on a daily, especially on Instagram because I'm always active on Instagram, and I always try and comment and message people back. So if you have any questions or comments or concerns, you can DM me on Instagram. I don't know why I'm doing. So if you could please subscribe, like, comment, and turn on your notification bell so you know exactly when I will be posting. I would absolutely love that. If you subscribe to me, I will also do my very best to subscribe back to you. So hit that subscribe button, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you soon.